This woman was unable to have children, so she mixed animal and human genes, creating a half-human, half-beast experiment. She not only provided it with food but also dressed it up, raising it as if it were her daughter. She had once been a scientist, and her husband worked in the same lab, focusing on researching new species through genetics. They had planned to move on to the next phase of their research, but suddenly, they received an order from their boss to stop the experiment. However, they had no intention of giving up. The woman was persistent, and the couple decided to secretly continue the experiment behind their backs. Eventually, they succeeded in completing the genetic pairing. 2 days later, the woman began showing signs of labor. The couple rushed to the lab to prepare for the birth, but when the monster was born, they realized it was a huge mistake. It had to be eliminated. Back in the lab, they discovered the fetus was gone. In the corner, there was a creature curled up, with the body of a sheep and the head of a rabbit. Seeing its pitiful appearance, the woman's heart softened. Ignoring her husband's objections, she took off her gloves and protective mask and approached the creature. Eventually, her husband was persuaded and agreed to help raise the creature together. Unexpectedly, the monster grew at an astonishing speed, much faster than humans. The woman not only fed it, but also dressed it and cared for it like a child. However, as the monster grew, it became increasingly aggressive. To ensure their safety, the couple decided to move to a house in the suburbs. Gradually, the monster began to look at the husband with strange eyes and started dressing up to attract his attention, even dancing for him. The man also began to feel unusual emotions. Then, one shocking day, something unbelievable happened.